If you're looking for an easy cookie recipe, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make these amazing egg-free cookies. They're perfectly crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with a delicious chocolate hazelnut spread. To start, let's grab a large bowl and add 2 cups, or 240 grams of flour, half a cup, or 100 grams, of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon, or 2 grams, of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon, or 1 gram, of salt. Finally, we're going to add half a cup, or 50 grams, of cornstarch. You can use extra flour instead of cornstarch if you prefer, but I really recommend sticking with the cornstarch because it gives these cookies such a soft, melt-in-your-mouth texture inside. Now, just whisk all these dry ingredients together. Once they're combined, add half a cup, or 113 grams, of butter at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon, or 5 grams, of vanilla extract. We're going to work this with our hands, using our fingertips to rub the butter into the flour mixture. We want it to look like moist sand. When you squeeze a bit in your hand, it should hold its shape but still crumble easily. Next, we're going to add half a cup, or 120 grams, of cream. I suggest using a cream with 30 to 35% fat. Don't add it all at once. Add it slowly and mix until you have a soft dough that's easy to roll and doesn't stick to your hands. Mix only until the dough is smooth because we don't want to overmix it. The best part is that you don't need to chill this dough at all. We can start rolling it into balls right away. I like to weigh my portions, about 25 grams each, so they're all the same size and bake evenly, but you can just eye it if you prefer. Roll each ball in granulated sugar. This adds a nice crunch to the outside and makes the shaping process even easier. Place the balls on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now take a round measuring teaspoon and press it right into the center of each ball to create a little cavity. Here's a quick tip. I recommend rolling and pressing only 3 or 4 balls at a time. If you roll all the balls first and wait too long to press them, the dough might dry out and start to crack. Make sure to leave some space between the cookies so they have room to grow. If you have extra dough, you can always bake a second batch later. Now, let's take about half a cup, or 150 grams, of Nutella, or any chocolate spread you like, and fill the center of each cookie. Once they're all filled, bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown on the bottom. They'll still be soft when you take them out, so let them cool completely on the baking sheet. Once they're cool, just run a spatula underneath to lift them off the paper. You can keep these cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. And that's it. Delicious egg-free cookies that are crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with chocolate. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. See you next time!